My sister is a junior at Carmel High School. In terms of Kathak, she's been training for ever since she was in 4th grade, and so she knows a lot about the classical dances and everything concerning that. She also does Bharatanatyam, and she's just very good in general at classical dances. And so I'm really excited to see her perform today.
So I've known Janvi for a really long time, and she's really passionate about everything she does, including Kathak and Bharatanatyam for a super long time. So I know she's gonna do really well in her Rangmanch, and she everything she does, she focuses on it. So I'm really excited to see her.
Hi, Janvi. This is Brian. I'm delighted to be here today. I've never been to a recital before, and I'm glad that yours is my first. I know this is something you've practiced on many, many hours. I can't wait to see this, but most importantly, I'm just here to support you. It's been a pleasure to get to know you through your parents, and I look forward to watching you grow and spread your wings. And if I can ever do anything to help, you can always call me. Congratulations.
Hi Janvi, today is a big day for you and for all of us. I can still remember you as a small little baby. It's been a pleasure seeing you grown up into such a big and beautiful girl. You have always excelled in whatever you do, and you have pursued all the interest in different forms of dances. Indian dance is not an easy dance, and learning as well as pursuing it is not an easy job, and you have again done well in it. I wish you all the best for your performance. I know you will do well, and God will shower His blessings on you. We are feeling very sorry that we could not make for such a big event, but remember that Masi, Masarji, and all of us in India are watching you from here. So give your best. Love, Mona Masi and Masarji.
Hi Janvi, I wanted to wish you all the very best for your Kathak Rangmanch performance. You've always been someone with so much grace and so much poise, and I'm really sure that your entire performance is going to be such a delight for the entire audience to watch, and you're going to be an absolute treat to the eyes. You've always been someone who's been so dedicated and so committed towards doing everything that you've got yourself into, be it academics, tennis, dance, or even martial arts for that matter. You've always excelled at everything that you've decided to do. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of you to have achieved this milestone at such a young age. It's not easy to be in the US and do something like classical dance, and not only to start it but to actually finish it. I'm very happy and I'm very proud of you. I miss you very much. Unfortunately, I cannot be in the US for a big day, but I hope that you have an amazing day, and I hope God keeps blessing you.
Hi dear Janvi and Riya Didi. This is your brother Oak. Today is a very special day for you. You have your Bharatnatyam dance performance on stage. I wish you good luck and hope you both dance beautifully. So, wishing you best of luck again from me and Candy and everyone. Bye.
All the best, Janvi. हमेशा खुश रहो.
My name is Sumit Bhatia. On behalf of family and the Triangan Kathak Dance Academy, I have the privilege of welcoming you through an afternoon of Kathak and of introducing Janvi to her first solo public performance, her Rangmanch Pranam. I would like to thank all of you for taking the afternoon and evening over here to be with us and for dinner after that. A special thanks to all of you. I'd specifically like to recognize Brian, Joyce Irvin, our family from Ohio, the alumni and teachers from Sycamore, State Treasurer Kelly Mitchell, Mayor Brainerd will be here later, Senator Spatz, and anybody whom I've forgotten to mention by name, please accept my apologies. As with any auspicious event, let me start by inviting my wife Sumita to start with an invocation, inviting Lord Ganesha for his blessings for this event. Thank you.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. This means, O Lord Ganesha, of curved trunk, large body, and with the brilliance of 1,000,000 suns, please make all my works free of obstacles always. Kathak is a North Indian classical dance form which has long been nurtured in the holy precincts of the Hindu temples. Kathak originates from the word katha, which means stories. There is a popular saying, Katha kahe so Kathak. One who tells a story is a kathakar or storyteller. These storytellers travel to different parts of the country, telling and enacting the Indian mythological tales through mimes, hand gestures, and facial expressions. Kathak, as an art form, was handed down from one generation to the next in a hereditary manner as an oral tradition. Developed over the years and given by father to son, the skills, techniques, and the knowledge of the art of Kathak resulted in 3 main schools, or gharanas: Lucknow, Jaipur, and Banaras. Today's performance will be based on the Lucknow Gharana in which Janvi's teacher has been trained. From the 16th century onward, Kathak was patronized in the courts of the Mughal emperors. Hence, this dance form contains a blend of both Hindu spiritualism and aspects of Persian dances, which sets it apart from other classical Indian dance forms. Janvi's performance will reflect these differences via the song choices and 2 types of costumes and jewelry used in the program. The lehenga choli worn during the first half of the program is typical of Hindu culture, while the anarkali worn in the second half of the program portrays a distinct Muslim influence. Kathak combines fast footwork, intricate and graceful hand movements with repetitive pirouettes. The expressional part of Kathak, which is called Nritya, has received detailed treatments with the introduction of Thumris. Thumris often portray stories from Hindu mythology. The Nritya aspect of Kathak includes execution of bowls like thoras, tukras, and parans, which includes mnemonic syllables and clear footwork. Kathak is performed to the accompaniment of the Indian percussion instrument named tabla. The Abhinaya aspect of Kathak illustrates the expressive dramatics of the dance form and is often captured in dance dramas. The Kathak dancer wears hundreds of bells or ghungroos on her feet. Janvi is wearing 200 bells on each foot for her performance tonight. Rangmanch is the stage and pranam is the acknowledgement of the stage and audience. By performing the Rangmanch pranam, the student in her first solo performance demonstrates her proficiency in having learned the basics of Kathak. The Rangmanch is the beginning of her life's involvement in this dance form.
My name is Ria Bhatia, and I am Janvi's sister. I would like to introduce our guru, Dr. Anantha Sen, the founder and artistic director of Rityangan Kathak Academy in Carmel, Indiana. She has trained in the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak in Kolkata, India, under the able guidance of Guru Srimati Dutt. Srimati Dutt herself trained under Pandit Birju Maharaji, who is considered one of the foremost exponents of Kathak today. Anandita has performed and given lecture demonstrations in several cities in India, the US, and the UK. Even though Anandita is a scientist by profession, Rityangan arose from her innate passion for Kathak. Through her dance school, Anandita has been imparting Kathak training since 1994 to several students in Iowa, North Carolina, and currently in Carmel, Indiana. Anandita and her students are active in the Indianapolis cultural community with participations in several cultural events. In 2014, Anandita was instrumental in organizing and hosting a live performance by Padma Vibhushan, Pandit Birju Maharaji, Saswati Sen, and other members of the Kalashram New Delhi troupe. This was the very first time that Birju Maharaji performed in the state of Indiana. Anandita has also partnered with Clues Memorial Hall to bring Ragmala Dance Theater from Minneapolis, MN, to Indianapolis for the very first time in January 2015. Between 2011 to 2015, Anandita has served as a faculty member at the Academy of Gregory Hancock Dance Theater in Carmel, Indiana. Anandita has a PhD in biochemistry and is currently a director of regulatory affairs at Eli Lilly and Company, where she has been an employee for the past 16 years. All the dances Janvi will be performing this afternoon have been choreographed by her guru.
My name is Aditya, and I would like to introduce my older sister, whom you all know as Janvi. A junior at Carmel High School, Janvi is a graduate of Sycamore School. She has been undergoing training in Kathak for the past 7 years and is indebted to her guru, Dr. Anandita Sen, for developing a passion in her for this graceful dance form and giving her the opportunity to perform on stage in front of an audience. Janvi has also mastered another traditional and opposing dance form called Bharatanatyam. She is a first-degree black belt in karate, a top Carmel High School scholar. Her other interests include playing flute and tennis. She is an active volunteer through Carmel Youth Initiative, Leukemia Lymphoma Society, India Association of Indianapolis, Community Health Network. All gifts received will benefit Community Health Network's Foundation's Oncology Patient Assistance Fund. Thank you.
It is customary to begin a classical dance performance with a vandana, which means a prayer to a deity. The first piece in Janvi's repertoire this evening is Ganesh Vandana, or an ode to the Hindu god Ganesha. Ganesha is the son of Shiva and Parvati and has an elephant head. He's often referred to as Ekadanta, meaning one-tusked. A distinct form of Ganesha is called Bhana Chandra, which alludes to the moon on his forehead. He is known as Vigneshwara, or someone who removes all obstacles, whether of a material or of a spiritual kind. He is considered the lord of letters and learning, or buddhi. Ganesh Vandana was chosen to be included in Janvi's repertoire because her families hail from the state of Maharashtra in India, where Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with much pomp and splendor. We now present Janvi in Ganesh Vandana, sung by none other than Shankar Mahadevan.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने